Hi, Vesuviana. How are you doing today? Oh, what's going on?
Oh.
It's a pretty cool car. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what's happening?
A tire.
A tire? What's wrong with the tire?
What's that?
What's what?
It's him?
What's what? Does it smell like something?
Him?
What is it? Is it teriyaki sauce? Is there a little drop of teriyaki sauce on there? I think so. We had a good dinner tonight, didn't we? Look. Look, what's this? What's this? Tricycle. What's that one? Do you know what this one's called, Vesu? Do you know what this one's called? Oh, what's that? Is that a camera? Whoa, bulldozer.
A trunk.
A trunk.
Oh, tire.
Oh, yeah? Oh, what's this? Is that a shell? Can you reach it? You're very close. Oh, just right there. Just a little helping hand here. There you are. You got it. Whoa, no. You dropped it.
What's that?
What is that?
Oh,
Oh, bring your bulldozer.
what's that? Oh,
Oh, is that a sticker?
no.
So, Vesu, is that your bulldozer?
No.
That one. Whoa. Is that your shovel? Whoa. Wow. Cool car, Vesu. Vroom, vroom. Meow. Any bulldozer?
Papa.
Oh, yeah?
Papa. Oh, look. Eat.
Is that a sticker? On there. Vesu, on there. A sticker. On your bulldozer.
Oh, go.
Right here. Right here. Sticker.
Uh-huh.
Oh. But do you want to take the sticker off or do you want to leave it on there?
Is that apple?
Oh, yeah?
Apple?
Well, you're getting that part off. Good job. Now you can use your bulldozer for all sorts of things.
Oh,
What's this one? What's this one?
Papa. Aha.
yeah.
Stop back. Stop.
Hey now, Reggie. Reggie, that is not okay. Hey, no.
Why?
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. No biting. No biting, Reggie. Yeah, kisses. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. No biting.
Okay.
Good boy. Ooh, what's this one? Bulldozer. 4x4. Ferrari. Whoa.
Wait. Look.
What's that?
A book.
A book. Yeah. What's this book about? It's about trucks.
Whoa. Whoa. Wait. Stop.
See the trucks? Yeah.
Oh.
You having fun with your sketch pad? That's a cool toy. You want to show everyone who's watching? See, watch, Vesu.
A book. Boy. A book.
A book. A wily animal. His name is Reginald. And we call him Reggie. And he's a poodle mix. Do you like to read your books? You have all sorts of books here. These are all great books. And this one's a little bit torn up because you had so much fun with it. Wow. Let's put them. I'll put them up and you put them back down, okay? All right. What's that one? That's a ladybug. A ladybug. Yeah? You want to read this one? Or is this a ramp? Vesu, is it a ramp? Check this out. Woo-hoo! Whoa, and then it goes... Awesome landing. Let's go back. Whoa! Yeah, off-roading. Yeah. You gotta use the right one. Oh, here you go. Alright, let's have a race. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Won by a mile. Whoa. Here we go.
Wait.
What is it?
A cook.
Is it broken? No, it's not broken. Oh, is there something inside? Ooh, what's inside? You going to show everyone who's watching?
Yeah.
What do you think is inside, everyone? You have to be able to open it to get the treat.
Yeah.
How are you going to do it?
Where go?
Do you need some help from something? What's that?
Wait, what's that?
What's that over there? A chair? what's this one? This is a good toy. This is a fire truck.
What kind?
Still getting used to this camera. There we go. Green Toys Fire Department. And what's this one, Vesu? What's this one? An airplane. Wow. Lift off. He's going all over the place. Whoa, get met by the bulldozer. You got me. Ah, saved. Yeah. Transform. What? Did you see a little storage area? What's that? Oh, you can put things in there. Putting a label? There you go. Good job. Whoa. Yeah, whoa. Transform. Whoa. Yeah, Oh no, it's out of gas. What do we do? It's out of gas. It can't go anywhere. Now what? We gotta fill it up. Where's the gas tank? Where is it? You don't know. It's right here. See right there? That's the gas tank. Yeah. That's where you know when I go to the store? The convenience store? And there's those pumps and we wait there for a little bit? Yeah. Pumping gas. Yeah, you gotta fill it up with some premium. Or regular or plus. Whoa. Now what? We gotta bring in the fire truck. Oh no, it's a monster truck. Oh no, it's the bulldozer. Stop doing that, he says. I'll never stop saying the monster truck. I'm a monster bulldozer. Oh no, I've been snagged in midair.
No, I'm tired.
It's okay. Safe.
Look, a puppy.
Look, it's a puppy. Yeah. Ooh. What's that? Oh yeah? Whoa. Whoa. Oh, you gotta fix it now. That's right. You gotta tighten all the bolts. Make sure it's gonna work. Don't take out the tire though. I don't want to take that out. But what about this part? Alright, you gotta open that up. You gotta take those screws. And there you go. There you go. Here. You take over, mechanic. You're gonna fix the car. Fix. Look, this is a tire. How many tires are there on the car? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tires on the car. Look at that. You're taking it apart. And now it goes back together. So, what we really got to fix is this front side over here. That's the main part. Alright. Now what?
And then we got a bump view.
Greetings, Earthling. I see you have problems with your tires. Do you need assistance?
Yeah. Alright. Let's go over here and up. Lift it up. Up. We gotta take it to the mechanics. Down the way.
Hey, I'll get this fixed up right now.
Yep.
Hey. Hey, that worked out great.
Alright, you tow it away. Go ahead. That's right. You're towing it away. Exactly. Now, it's all ready from the repair shop, and we're gonna take it on the racetrack. Racetrack. All right, let's make
Vesu
some
Papa. Vesu Papa hug and love each other for a minute.
names.
How do
Aww. How old are you, Vesu?
Okay.
See?